How are y'all doing today? My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Real quick, I want to talk about the Whaler hull construction. If you're not familiar with it, it truly is one of a kind. The boats are completely foam filled. It's Unibond construction, and they're also unsinkable. It's not only foam, but it's very, very dense foam. So these boats are extremely unique, top of the line, the best construction made in the marine industry. Every single screw on a Boston Whaler is backed with a 1/2 inch material that Whaler has a patent on called Whaler board. So screws do not back out. It cuts down on vibration. Everything is just overbuilt and tough. And again, making Boston Whalers top of the line. The 240 Dauntless is one of my favorite boats just because of its versatility. You've got phenomenal seating up here, reclining backrest here, fish boxes on both sides and in the middle. If you're doing some serious fishing, you remove all the cushions, and now you have a huge fishing platform. Nice live well here up front. Rod holders throughout the boat, console and off of the hardtop. Really, really nice upgraded leaning post with folding bolsters. Nice size dash here for your electronics. Stereo with JL speakers. Yeti underneath the leaning post. And then, in my opinion, one of the absolute best seats in the entire boating industry on both the 21, the 24, and 27 Dauntless is this back seat here. Most comfortable back seat in the business. And then we ordered this one with a couple nice upgrades. You've got the Verado 350, Atlas jack plate, and nice power pole. So this boat is absolutely ready to go. If you've never experienced a Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless, you will be blown away. Come and check this one out here at MarineMax Panama City. Thank you.